Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. I'm at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they'll know what to rank it for. So you'll see here I put in your URL and then I came down here to header tags. So you'll see your H1 actually says consultation, design, hardscape, softscape, care and maintenance. So the H1, it's really like the main heading on your website. So if you went to your website, you have your H1 is here, but you really want to have your H1 like up here, even up here. So basically it's the first thing that Google sees on your web page to determine what it's about. The other item that goes hand in hand is the metadata. The metadata is when you do a Google search. I did one for Sonoma County landscaping. You can see these little blue lines here. These are all metadata. And then you can see that the top guy is talking about Sonoma County landscaping because I did a Google search for Sonoma County landscaping. And that's why they're at the top position. When we pull yours, you're not really found anywhere in Google for Sonoma County landscapers or anything like that. Your title page right now is Vice Landscape Management, Design, Build Landscape Management. So basically, I can bet you that if you Googled Vice Landscape Management, you'd be at the top because that's what Google thinks you're about. But so if somebody were to Google that, you'd be at the top, but obviously nobody's going to Google Vice Landscape Management because when they're looking for a landscaper, they're going to Google for landscaper. They're not going to know to Google Vice Landscape Management. So you really want them to Google a keyword. So basically your keyword could be, depending, it sounds like you're in mostly Sonoma County, could be Sonoma County landscapers, could be Santa Rosa landscapers, or landscapers near me. So basically you want your title tag and your H1 to match. You want them to both be talking about the same thing. And right now your H1 is not talking about Sonoma County landscaping, and you want them also to have the city plus the service, either let's say Santa Rosa landscaping services or Sonoma County landscaping services. You want them both to match so that's crystal clear to Google on what your site's about. And then also, if you ever want to check your rank, you can go to here and instead of Googling your keyword, like let's say you Google, some companies will Google Sonoma County landscaping, excuse me, and then they keep checking that as the weeks go by, and then slowly Google starts moving that up because they already see what you're looking for. So instead you always want to use a third-party tool. I use this tool called Rank Tracker, and you'll see you can get a free subscription to this for 30 days if you want to check it out. Sorry, but you can go ahead and see the rank. I went ahead and put in Vice Landscape to show you that you're ranking #1 for that. But obviously, again, nobody's going to Google that. They're going to Google Sonoma County landscaping, Santa Rosa landscaping, landscapers near me, garden landscapers. So you can see really here on the bottom of page 4, bottom page like 6 for all these keywords. So we can help you rank, if you like what you see, I can do a lot more for your website, and then we can also make it more appealing, but we can also really get you ranked for on the first page of Google, which 90% of traffic is going to the first page, and people don't go past the first page of Google. So if you have any questions, just reply to this email. Let's get you onto the first page of Google and get your phone ringing. Thank you so much, and I wish you success.